Hi friends, are you ready for the sound jar activity? Today we're going to learn about a new letter and a new sound. But before we learn our new letter and sound, let's try to remember what letter we learned last week. Does anybody remember the letter that we did last week? Good, we learned the letter D. We sing the song that goes, dolls are dancing, da, da, da. Dolls are dancing, da, da, da. Good job. And does anyone know what letter comes after the letter D in the alphabet? Good job. It's the letter E. And today we're going to learn how to make the letter E with our hand in sign language. We're going to bring our hand up and we're going to curl our fingers and our thumb in. And that's how you make the letter E in sign language. Are you ready to learn the new song? We're going to practice two different sounds that the letter E can make. We're going to practice the sound E and E. I'll have you listen first to my song and then you could sing along with me. Do you see how the elephants are eating? Ready? Elephants are eating. Eh. Eh. Elephants are eating. E, E, E. Did you guys hear the two different sounds that we practiced for the letter E? Now it's your turn. Let's sing it together. Elephants are eating. Eh, eh, eh. Elephants are eating. E, E, E. Good job, friends. Let's see what pictures are in my sound jar today to practice those two different sounds that the letter E makes. Here's our first picture. What is it? Good. It's an elephant. It has our eh sound. Can you say it with me? Elephant. Good. Let's see what's next. Do you see where the arrow is pointing? Good. It's an ear. I heard your I sound when you said ear. What is it? That's a tricky one. That's an eel. Good. Say it with me. Eel. Good. I heard your E sound when you said eel. Here's our next picture. It's a type of a bird. Do you know what kind of bird that is? Good, it's an eagle. Say it with me. Eagle. Great. We have one more picture left in our sound jar. It comes out of a chicken. It's a egg. Good, I heard your sound when you said egg. Nice work, friends. Does everyone have their listening ears ready? We're going to start our rhyming activity. I'm going to show you two pictures and I want you to tell me which picture rhymes with my word. I have an eagle and I have an egg. Can you tell me which picture rhymes with tag? Tag. Good. Tag, egg. That rhymes. Nice listening for the rhyming words, friends. I have two more pictures. I have an eel and I have an elephant. Which word rhymes with feel? Feel. Good. Feel, eel. That rhymes. Feel, eel. Let's do one more picture. Let's do ear and elephant. Can you find the word that rhymes with tear? Tear. Good. Tear, ear. That rhymes. You guys did a good job using your listening ears for the rhyming words. We found that tear and ear rhymes, and feel and eel rhymes, and egg and teg rhymes. Nice work, friends. We learned about the letter E and how to make the letter E with our hand in sign language. And then we also got to sing our new song about the two sounds that the letter E makes. It can make the eh and the E sound. Remember, the elephants are eating. Let's sing it together. Ready? Elephants are eating. Eh, eh, eh. Elephants are eating. E, E, E. Good job, friends. Now you could go around your house and try to find something that starts with the letter E and has the eh or the E sound. I can't wait to see what you find. Bye.